Good evening. I shall be a Weisenheimer tonight by sharing my Facebook status on YouTube. Susanna Marie Gomez says, the same people who, off the bat, call other people bad energy without taking the time to listen to anything the other person has to say, which is to say, without taking the time to know anything about the other person, are ironically the very same people who cannot, absolutely cannot, bear to hear that they have any faults of their own. Oh, don't get me wrong. They don't mind admitting their faults themselves. However, to hear their faults expressed in the mouth or in the words of another person is as unbearable to them as were a long hot shower of pure sulfuric acid. To themselves, however, they are beacons of positivity. They think that others do not have as complicated or as interesting a life as their own, and they fail to realize that everyone has an interesting and unique life. They just choose not to share that life with these unduly poisonous people, because most sensible people avoid being judged by a harsh and critical person whenever possible. They will never share more than, "Hi, how are you? Fine." These poisonous people never once realize that it is not others who are in need of drastic change, but it is they themselves. They cannot handle hearing the daily details of lives other than their own, because they are too negative to take anything with a grain of salt. Everything has to be sugar-coated. Such people perhaps need to lose not only their selfish and self-centric attitude, but also are in sore need of a much thicker skin. How is that for an extremely long Facebook status? I hope you've agreed and enjoyed in this very wordy way of telling someone to go fuck off. Thank you. Good night.